Hello, my name is Mohammed Taufik from 2A25. I'm here to show you the combinations for the maths Laplace. Okay, combinations. The number of combinations of unordered selection of R objects taken from a group of n unlike objects is NCR equals to n over R n minus R. Example 4. How many ways can men choose a sample of 5 electrical boards from a batch of 200 for inspection? So, 200 C5 equals to 535, 6,540. A jar contains 6 red, 3 blue, and 1 green marbles. In how many ways can a boy choose 2 red, 1 blue, and no green marbles? So, 6C2 times BC1 times 1CO, and the answer is 45. As you can see, 6, 3, and 1. Question C. A football coach has 3 goalkeepers, 10 defenders, 10 midfielders, and 5 strikers to select for the next match. If he intends to use a 4-4-2 strategy, how many possible combinations of players can he have for the next match? So, for the 3 goalkeepers, 10 defenders, 10 midfielders, and 5 strikers. We implement by using the NCR method, so 3C1 times 10C4 times 10C4 times 5C2. So there are 1, 3, 2, 3, 0, 0 combinations of players you can choose for the next match. Question D. In how many ways can a person choose 3 books from a list of 8 bestsellers? So by using the same method, 8C3 equals to 56 because of 8 books and 8 bestsellers from 3 books. Question E. In how many different ways can a committee of 4 be selected from among the 64 staff members of the electrical department? 64, C4, and you have 635376. F. In how many different ways can the director of a research laboratory choose 2 chemists from among 7 applicants and 3 physicists from among 9 applicants? 7 applicants from 2 chemists, 9 applicants from 3 chemists. So 7C2 times 9C3 equals to 17,764.